Oh, hi guys, this is a time of standby. We're just going to Chilchildas Bilyaran. And I would like to say my friends is here is Smackdown because she drink bad kulapo. You know that kulapo is bad to your health. And the number one dangerous over the world. And I will see you how to kulapo. No. My friend is sleeping because he drinks so much. Why people drink? Oh no, she's going to die right now. Simbako. She's going to hagok here. And another one. You want to see? Yes. This is my friend is Smackdown is. If you tandog in here is no mata because she is very sleeping. Time is very easy and low. Just enjoy yourself because the life is very low. I know you know. This is the Bilyaran. If you're going to tako in here, going to burak in here. Ay pasamok na vlog is here. Hawa tagamay kay medyo mabungkag na. Ang bilyar. This is my Tio Binhamin. She drank every day and she very hard work. Kanang wasting money every day, 3 times a day, 1 year ago, 2 weeks ago. Oh, this like this. My vlogger kasamahan is going down. Going to sleep. So very low and very low height. Sleep away. Nico sleep every day. No. Because his life is drink. That is the result. That example how we did it. She put in gallon is no tuba because she drink it. No to drink. She is to enjoy. Enjoy your diet.